Most of the people, it is about one-sided. How to cope with that?
पहले तो understand that this is a dream that you are living in. Letting go is the final act of love and the first act towards your own liberation.
One of the worst people you can be in a relationship with is a narcissist.
This word again, all right. वो blinders पहन के life जीना है तो you have to rescue yourself.
रिलेशनशिप चल रही है, अब एक ऐसा पीरियड आता है जहाँ पे everything is boring. It is not fun anymore.
Relationships thrive on appreciation and
Yeah.
that's the last thing we do for each other.
Hello everyone, I am Swarali Pinse and again we have our star, our dearest Disha ma'am over here. Hello Disha ma'am.
Thank you. Hello Swarali, nice to be here. Thank you everyone who's joined us today.
So, आज का जो topic है, that I'm going to be very emotional while we talk about this, but it is about relationships and heartbreaks.
Sure, absolutely. Yeah.
So, everyone experiences heartbreaks once in their lives.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
Yes.
And most of the people, it is about one-sided.
Okay.
मतलब जितने मैंने तो सुने हैं वन साइडेड कि अरे यार नहीं यार वो चला गया यार वरना चली गई यार बता ही नहीं पाया उसको तो इतना वन साइडेड मतलब एंड ऑल्सो इट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू सम सीरियस मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज
बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज वो इतना अफेक्ट कर लेते हैं उस चीज़ को खुद पे कि मतलब लॉजिक तो निकल ही गया है
Yeah.
बट हाउ टू कोप विद दैट.
Okay. So, sure. So, if you're talking about heartbreak, if you're talking about relationships, and now you're talking about one-sided, attraction, love, whatever
Yeah.
you want to call it. पहले तो understand that this is a dream that you are living in.
करेक्ट.
Okay. It's hard, but every dream breaks. You have to come out of it. ठीक है. अब how you come out of it is where your is what will decide how you are after this. Right? तो ये ड्रीम में हो आप, जब तक ड्रीम अच्छा है आप उसमें घूम रहे हो, but at some point it's going to wake you up.
Correct.
Okay, so be ready for that.
Correct.
First of all. Secondly, see, a couple of aspects are there to one-sided love, and I think one of the best ways to describe this is I'll tell you a story. Would you like to hear?
I
one?
would love to hear the story.
So, so this is about a hummingbird. Yeah, it's a beautiful valley, green valley, sundar atmosphere, and this hummingbird lives in that valley. He is a very bright, flamboyant, red hummingbird. Hummingbird, you know hummingbird, छोटा सा होता है, very nice, lots of beautiful feathers.
Feathers.
So he lives there, he's full of joy, he's so happy in that valley, okay. And one day he is flying about and एकदम वो valley के edge पे कुछ rocks हैं, उसमें उसको एक अकेला एक फूल दिखता है. That flower has very soft, subdued colors. She has a very beautiful fragrance, very soft fragrance. And she's in that rocky area and she's just standing there and she's got this gorgeous shade on her. And this hummingbird of ours, he just falls in love, okay, with the flower. So hummingbird बोलता है यार अब मैं क्या करूँ? I am in love. So वो रोज़ उसके लिए dew drops लाने लगता है. वो ड्यू ड्रॉप लाता है, सुबह सुबह जाता है, लाता है. जैसे पहले the first break of the sun rays, he comes with that sun ray, he brings it to the flower, he gives her dew drops, he sings for her, yeah, special songs made for her. He's in love, so he will do all this. The flower, she's a nice flower, she's kind to him. But her heart belongs to the wind, her heart belongs to the soil, her heart belongs to the rain, her heart belongs to the sun. So she just
She was just being kind.
she's just being kind, and she's, you know, he offers her things and she takes them, and slowly he is doing it every day. He's bringing things for her every day, and this is how she is. And then the seasons pass, and like a good amount of time passes, and then the flower decides that it's now time for her to go back to the earth. She has to fade.
Correct.
So she starts fading. And the hummingbird realizes in that moment that I love her, but I cannot change her heart. Right? So he goes to her and he whispers to her. He says, every song of mine will have you in it.
Oh.
Okay? But now I have to go where I am well received.
Correct.
And saying that, he flies off happy. Okay? He's happy. He's still singing a song. He's carrying her in that song. And he flies away happily, knowing he has closed that chapter. And the flower fades away and goes back to her first love, which is the soil. That's her
Soil.
first love.
Wow.
So, this is the story of one-sided love. Right?
Wow. Okay.
What does it mean? It means that one, letting go is not a failure.
Correct.
Okay? In fact, it is your first step towards going towards yourself. Okay? Also, memory हमेशा ही painful होनी चाहिए ऐसा ज़रूरी
Not
नहीं है.
necessarily.
You know, like the hummingbird, he said, hey, I'm always going to carry you with me in my songs. So there is no pain. You're going to be part of my music, part of my rhythm, part of who I am. Because he's a joyful hummingbird till he falls in love like this, right? So memory doesn't always have to be painful. So when you are having something like this, ask yourself कि पहली चीज़ तो what am I putting aside in my pursuit of this one-sided love? What am I not appreciating in that object of my love? Because I am forgetting कि that object of my love also has her or his own spaces where their heart is going. They have their
Correct.
own wind and sun and soil and sun,
They are
you know.
a different individual.
They are. And you have gone to them. They were growing happily in one corner.
Correct. Correct.
Right? So अगर आप ऐसे टाइप के रिलेशनशिप में फील करते हो खुद को, then it's time to ask yourself and set yourself free.
If you start liking someone, this doesn't have to do anything with that person. It is you
Yes.
who started liking
Yes.
them. So
Yes.
embrace it. There is nothing wrong
Nothing
in
wrong.
having one-sided relationship or having one-sided love towards another person. But you have to embrace it by
The problem
saying
is that I want reciprocation.
exactly.
The problem is there. And the logic is that since I am giving, I should receive.
I should receive. And you know, I'm very sorry, I might hurt some people here, but Bollywood plays a very big role in this, because the way it has romanticized the love and romance for everyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
बहुत कुछ I won't say wrong. I wouldn't say that, but it's a very cute thing. I wouldn't blame it, but some irrational, unrealistic expectations from
Absolutely.
people,
Absolutely. And
which
that is
also leads to crimes
बिल्कुल.
like acid attack,
हाँ,
rapes,
बिल्कुल.
sexual
Because
assault, everything.
you are not able to let go.
Exactly.
Your letting go is the final act of love.
Yeah. Yeah.
Letting go is the final act of love and the first act towards your own liberation. If you learn the beauty of letting go,
Letting go. Yeah. Yeah.
you will be like that hummingbird,
Hummingbird.
absolutely happy. So
Yeah.
you
It
have
is
to,
very.
you
It is
have
very.
to get there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful in a way.
Yes. Yes.
You know, it is. It's a very beautiful and very innocent thing to have one-sided love for someone else. It is very innocent thing to
Look,
have.
one-sided love means somewhere there is appreciation, admiration. Okay. Therefore, it has to have respect.
Exactly.
जहाँ वो चला गया, now you are not actually having one-sided love. This is no longer one-sided love. So ask yourself, and only you will be the right judge to know where you are on that spectrum.
Correct.
So अगर आपको पता है that you have moved from that one-sided admiration, appreciation, respect for that person, then come back. Don't go further on that path.
Correct.
Come back. Understand that one-sided love has these elements to it.
There are certain boundaries to it as well.
Yes, you cannot
Correct.
push forward, then it is no longer one-sided love.
Yeah.
Then you are romanticizing something which is not very good.
Yeah, exactly. Correct.
That way.
There are lots and lots of couples. I mean, there are relationships where people have cheated on their partner. And once their partner found out about it, either they've broken up or they are in a trauma bond.
Right.
But also there are couples whom have moved past it and now one of the most happiest couples there can be. कैसे उन्होंने वर्क किया या फिर क्या क्या सैक्रिफाइसेस करने पड़े, कितनी कितनी चीज़ों के लिए माफ़ करना पड़ा एक दूसरे को. सो आई गेस मतलब क्या है, व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन टू इट?
Well, rebuilding trust, rebuilding your connection, understanding and realizing that you are two separate people to begin with.
Yeah.
And understanding what it is that you are giving up if you give up on this relationship, as against what is it that you are retaining if you retain this relationship. Prioritizing what really matters to both of you.
Yeah.
Choosing each other every day post something like this.
Yeah.
Um,
This is a very traumatic event for a
Absolutely.
couple.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So if you want to overcome it and really reach a place where you can coexist with respect and with love and affection, then you have to navigate all these aspects.
these
इसमें
aspects.
forgiveness आएगा, इसमें trust आएगा, इसमें reassurance आएगा, इसमें continuous reassurance आएगा. You can't say that I reassured you 50 times, now don't ask me again. You can't do that. So it is a lifelong process because there has
you have
been
to
a
be consistent.
yeah, there's a
in that.
big dent
Yeah.
in the trust.
Yeah.
So if you want to rebuild your foundation, then you have to literally rebuild. dig करना
Exactly.
पड़ेगा
From
वापस.
scratch you have to do it.
Exactly.
First of all, the first step is to forgive the other person. And if you can't forgive the other person, then I don't think ki there is any point of being together.
So that's the next part. That's why I said, what are you retaining because you're retaining the relationship? What are you losing if you lose the relationship?
the relationship.
Understand that, be practical about it. Understand whether this is something you can sustain for life.
Yeah.
Because then again, you don't want to face the same trauma again 5 years later.
Correct.
You know, where you are now unsure why you took a decision 5 years ago and why you stayed, and now you're not sure whether you want to stay on or not. Again, a good time to have an outside agency like a counselor or a therapist or a mediator, a trained one, who can help you to understand actually what this relationship is all about and whether it can be brought back on track or not.
Or not. Correct. Also, one of the worst people you can be in a relationship with is a narcissist.
Okay, this word again. All right.
No, because being with a narcissist impacts hell lot
Everything.
on your mental health.
Everything.
Yeah, exactly. Not only mental health, it impacts everything. The soft manipulation, the blame game, and the gaslighting. Oh my God.
Yes.
It is. There are people who they can't even recognize that their partner is a narcissist.
Yeah.
They think they have normalized it.
Yeah.
And that's the worst. That
That
is
is
the
the most
red flag.
dangerous part.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That is the most dangerous part. So, कैसे वर्क करता है ये वो रिलेशनशिप?
इसमें एक ही चीज आपको हेल्प कर सकती है. What work you are doing on yourself. There is no other way to bring somebody to understand that they are in a relationship that is not working out.
Working out, yeah.
Or that is not good for them, or that they are actually in trauma in that relationship, or they are actually causing trauma. Maybe because of staying in the relationship, there could be children involved. There could be many other collateral,
Damage,
aspects that could also be damaged because of your choices.
Correct.
So अगर आपको blinders पहन के life जीना है तो
कर लो.
उसको nobody can nobody can rescue you.
Obviously.
So you have to rescue yourself. You have to ask yourself a few hard questions.
But there are times where when you can't recognize that the other person is a narcissist, because वो manipulation वो बहुत openly नहीं होता, वो
Sure.
बहुत softly और disguise में होता
Sure.
है. वो जो gaslighting है,
Sure.
वो overpower इतने होते हैं वो कि you can't recognize. You feel like no, I am the one who is at fault here.
So that's
मेरी ही
what.
गलती है.
That is exactly where, if I can't recognize that it's happening from outside, can I recognize my own emotions? Am I in touch with myself?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
why
yeah,
self-work. If you are not in touch with yourself, then you will have this problem.
Even when the other person is patronizing you, you should know that the other person is patronizing you.
Yes.
Like that is clearly not 50-50. मतलब किसी भी relationship में 50-50 नहीं हो सकता, but it is always 80-20.
मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि वहाँ पे अगर आपका if your self work is not up to the mark, then none of these signs will be visible to you.
Correct.
So
Correct.
if you want to know these signs, then you have to ask yourself hard questions to yourself first. That who am I? What am I tolerating? What are my emotional states? Throughout the day, how am I? You may realize I am numb throughout the day.
Correct.
And that could be your first step to realizing, why am I numb throughout the day? Why am I so irritable throughout the day? Why am I like disinterested? I'm just going through the motions. Why am I in fear?
Correct.
If you recognize that these are your emotional states, then only you will become aware na ki there is something off about this situation. So
Correct.
if you have not if you have not gone and looked behind the door in your own heart, then
How will you know?
How will you know this? How will you recognize it?
Correct.
And that's why others see it first.
Yeah. The
Yeah, and your friends
third
will-
person
yeah.
is looking like
Your
दोनों
friends will
side
keep
से
telling
दिख रहा
you, and you will be in denial because you won't see it.
है. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Also, I don't know how to put this, but so जब when do you know कि एक relationship चल रही है, it's been now years, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many years I don't know, but चल रही है, अब एक ऐसा period आता है जहाँ पे everything is boring, nothing else is exciting for you, it is not fun anymore. Is it a good thing? That means is there a stability over there, or is it really boring? It is not adding up to your life.
See, one of the beautiful aspects of being in a relationship is that you are choosing the other person. So when you are choosing another person, there are two aspects to it. One, the choice should give you, or should at least most of the time bring you, some amount of positivity in the form of peace, contentment, happiness. And the second aspect is that the relationship should at some point or from point to point bring you points of growth.
Correct.
And you have to also do the same for your partner. You cannot only expect ki I will be getting. You also have to contribute to that person's growth.
Correct.
If you do this, you will not reach these boredom plateaus
Correct.
because you are growing.
Exactly.
If you are growing, you will not be in that plateau.
Correct.
What is happening? If you find yourself at a plateau, ask yourself, when did we stop growing? Is only one of us growing? Have I just decided that this is good enough for me and have I plateaued and the other partner is growing? You will have problems.
Correct.
You will find that you are bored but he or she is not, or you will find both have plateaued. So now life has become a routine, absolutely nothing happening, no motivation, no goals, no
Monotonous
appreciation,
हो गया है.
monotonous. Appreciation कब आता है when we grow? तब you find things to appreciate. Na? Great, yeah, you're doing this new, you're learning this new. And growth can be tiny, can be big, can be fast.
Appreciation plays a very big role in this.
Relationships thrive on appreciation, and
Yeah.
that's the last thing we do for each other.
I know. Oh my god.
So
yeah.
if you have chosen each other, then please make sure that one, you are a positive influence
keep
on each
choosing
other.
each other every day if you want that to last.
Yes, and that will only happen if you have more experiences together.
Correct.
Couples or people, any, not just couples, any relationship, it thrives when you have experiences together.
Correct.
So growth is part of that. If you are growing and I'm watching you, I'm growing, you're watching me, we are coming closer because we have that much more depth in each other that we are recognizing. अगर वो नहीं है तो आप plateau कर जाओगे.
Correct. Correct.
Absolutely.
You know, ब्रेकअप्स से डील करना, आई थिंक तभी वी कैन healthily we can deal with the breakups is how well do we know ourselves. जितना
Yes.
हम अच्छे तरीके से खुद को समझते हैं, जितना हम अच्छे तरीके से खुद को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, आई मीन दैट इज द ओनली, आई गेस, तब वी कैन हेल्दीली कोप अप. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज गोइंग टू हर्ट, ऑफ कोर्स अटैचमेंट तो है, अटैचमेंट की तो मतलब
Okay, so
दर्द होता है.
okay, I'm going to take a minute, okay, and I want to tell you another story. Okay,
Okay.
This is a Greek story. Okay, so this is about Orpheus and I forget Eurydice.
Okay.
I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. It could be Eurydice, I don't know. So Orpheus was a very, very, very good musician. And Eurydice or Eurydice was a nymph, celestial being who was of exceptional grace.
Okay.
And they fell in love with each other. And on the day that they committed to each other, Euryphice was bitten by a snake and she died.
Okay.
Okay, so they had a lot of love. The day they actually committed to each other and decided to do something about that love, she died.
Okay.
So Orpheus was heartbroken, obviously, and he was so shattered that he decided that this is not okay with me. I cannot accept this loss. So he traveled to the underworld. So in the Greek mythology, the underworld, where people go after they die.
Okay.
So he went to the underworld and he played his music there. So he was such a beautiful musician that even death, uska bhi dil pighal gaya. So Hades, the lord of the underworld, came up to him and said, okay, you can take Euryphice back. I'll let you have her. Only one condition. What is the condition? When you take her, she will follow you. You have to lead her out because underworld में आ गई है वो, अभी उसको lead करना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
So when you lead her out of this realm of mine, out of this underworld realm of mine, you are not to look back even once. So Orpheus said, okay. He started walking and he could feel somebody behind him. He could feel the breath. He could feel the presence. But he started having doubts. As he came closer to the border, he started thinking, what if Hades is playing a trick on me? What if he wants me out of his realm and then he won't let me back in? What if this is all a fake thing? Just as he's about to reach the end, uska faith died and his fear came up and he turned. And Euryphice was pulled back into the underworld with no chance of ever coming out again.
Oh my God. Okay.
This is the story. So to answer your earlier question, if you look at this story, 3 things. 1, the lack of faith, the lack of trust, the lack of faith and trust that my love will return or that I will heal.
Correct.
Second, the need for control. उसको गारंटी चाहिए थी. When you want guarantees, you will act impulsively, you will make mistakes.
Correct.
Okay. And third, the need to look back. So how many people, their end of relationship, they are overthinking, overanalyzing, dissecting, stalking on social media. 2-2, 3-3 साल स्टॉक कर रहे हैं, क्या चल रहा है इसकी लाइफ में. So looking behind. If you are able to overcome these 3 things, if you are going through painful breakups, are you looking behind too much? Are you overanalyzing? Are you romanticizing things that were never there? Are you hoping for a guarantee? Is that what you came into this relationship with? कि मेरे को guarantee है ये चलता ही रहेगा? Yeah. And is this something that you decided would continue and would stay with you forever, and that your faith and your trust is so brittle that you don't feel ki, okay, if this has gone, I will heal.
I will heal.
Or love will find me in some other form. So if you're able to do this, there's a good chance that you can come out of heartbreak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, it was so nice. I guess सब लोग इसके ऊपर relate कर पाएं. I hope. Now we can take breakups healthily. I
Yes,
guess.
yes. Breakups,
yes.
one-sided love.
सब
can.
कुछ.
You can.
Relationships overall. So thank you so much, ma'am. Again,
Welcome.
thank you so much. हमारे viewers की तरफ से, हमारी team की तरफ से, मेरी तरफ से, thank you so much for enlightening us. और ऐसे enlighten करते रहो, and please guys take mental health very very seriously. It is very important in your day-to-day life actually.
Yes, Swarali has said it all. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you're going through stuff like this, don't wait too much. Seek out professional help. बात करो, निकालो अपने अंदर से ये चीज़ें, and heal yourself faster so that you have a good mental health ahead, which will help you in every aspect of your life. So take care of yourselves. See you soon.